Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Huh?
Fine, ma'am.
All are fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Hmm?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I think I'm fine. I think all of you can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem. Okay, okay, good. Now, okay, 10 people have entered. Let me enter them. Okay. So, do you remember what all things we studied in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am. We were finding how to check the angles.
Check the angles. No, that is exterior angle
Ma'am,
theorem.
the interior angles.
Exterior angle
No,
theorem.
ma'am. We were finding about how to opposite interior angles.
Okay, opposite
When we
interior
add
angles.
them, we'll get.
Very good. When you add the interior opposite angles, you will get the exterior angle. That is called the exterior angle theorem. Can you say the theorem? Anybody? Can you repeat the theorem? Anyone? Hmm? Anybody can repeat it? See, angle sum property we studied, isn't it? When the three angles of a triangle is added, we will get 180 degree, isn't it? Same way, exterior angle theorem also I have explained. What is it? Sum of
Ma'am, the sum of opposite interior angles.
Is equal to exterior angle, or we can say exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Do you remember now? Huh? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? You forgot? Huh? See, I have shown on the board like this. Just see the board, then you will remember. See, I have shown this one, like a triangle is given to you. A triangle is given to you. And this is an exterior angle, X. And here it is given. Sorry, this is the angle given to you. A minute, to draw it properly. And I am just showing you the angles. This is one angle and this is another angle. It is, suppose it is 60 degree and this is 50 degree. What will be the measure of X? Can you tell me what will be the measure of X?
110, ma'am. 110.
110. How did you get it?
Ma'am, 60 plus 50.
60 plus 50. That means this is the exterior angle. And what is the interior, opposite interior angles? These two are the
50 and 60.
opposite interior angles. Now, do you remember the theorem we studied?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if another
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
yes, one more question I'll give you. Just suppose this is the triangle which I'm drawing, and this is an exterior angle I'm taking outside, taking Y. And if this angle is given 30 degree, and here it is given, suppose 50 degree. Okay, what will be the angle Y?
80 degree.
80 degree, because
80 degree.
just
80 degree.
check this angle, which side? It is on this side. Take the side opposite to it, the angles on that. So this angle will be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, or opposite interior angles, that is 30 plus 50, that is equal to 80. This theorem we studied last class, isn't it? Why nobody is answering? Only Shane John is answering. What about others? Do you remember this? Forgot? Huh?
Yes.
Now do you remember? Children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that is it. Another problem, one more problem we can do, then it will be clear to you. Suppose another question I'm giving you like this. See this. I'm giving here, this is an exterior angle, 120. Okay. Here I am giving you the angle 50 degree. Can you tell me what will be this angle?
Ma'am, 70. 70.
Okay, okay, Shane. Anybody else can answer? Other than Shane? Other than Shane, I want anybody else to answer it.
70.
Now, who is answering? Who is answering?
I'm 70.
Why, how did you get 70 degree here? Can you tell me?
One.
Very good. 120 degree.
Ma'am, 120. 50 plus 70 is equal to 120.
Because 50 plus something should be equal to 120, isn't it? 50 plus x should be equal to 120. What is the theorem? Exterior angle theorem. You have to write there. Exterior angle theorem. Nothing else you have to write. Only write exterior angle theorem. So 50 plus x is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, what is x? 120 minus 50. That is equal to 70. Is it clear, children, now? How
Yes,
to
ma'am.
select? How to select exterior angle? You understood, no? This is the angle. Just take opposite sides. Then the angles followed. Now you remember. Huh? Do you remember? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
we'll go to the problems in the text. You can add. You can take both the theorems, like exterior angle theorem. Also, you can use. You can also use the sum of the interior angles make 180 degree. Both the theorems you can use and solve the problems given here. So I'll give you one problem. Try. $60. Now here it is given x and here it is given y. Don't shout out the answer. When I ask you to answer only, you need to answer. Now here it is given 30°. Find out x and y. What is x? What is y? Yeah. Find out.
20 and 10.
No.
Ma'am,
See, here I am not, no interior or exterior angles given here. This is not exterior angle. I told you which are the exterior angles which make 180 degree with the interior angle. Okay, this is not exterior angle.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, x is equal to 120. Y is equal to 30.
No.
X is equal to, ma'am,
X is equal
x is equal to 60.
Very good. X is equal to 60. Why?
Ma'am, because vertically opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So x is equal to 60.
120.
I told
60,
you,
yeah.
listen, I told you this doesn't form, this will not form exterior angles. See, exterior angles are formed by extending the sides. See, here exterior angle is there, here one exterior angle is there. Because it is making 180 with the interior angle. Okay, see this one plus, I'll show you. That you have to take care when you do the problems. You should take care of that. See this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Okay, straight line. Straight line. Now this angle plus this angle also 180 degree. Straight line. Here you will get a straight line. But see this and this, are they forming a straight line?
No, ma'am.
Are they forming straight line? This angle and this angle? No.
No, ma'am.
No. So it is not an exterior angle. Okay. So these are vertically opposite. So we can take this as 60. Now tell me what is y? Shane?
Ma'am,
Yes.
90.
yes,
Why?
ma'am, 90.
Y is equal to 90. What is the reason?
Ma'am, because we should get a 180 degree in
Very
the
good, very
interior
good.
angles.
Yes. When you add all the interior angles, we have to get
120,
One-
180,
180 degree. 180 degrees. We can say that x is equal to 60 degrees.
90.
Opposite. Vertically opposite. Opposite. Okay. Next one. What is y? Y is equal to. So we have to write the reason. X plus y plus 30. 180 degree. So we know x is 60 degree. We know y. Don't know. We want to find
We don't know.
y plus this 30 is equal to
We
180.
will get
So
180.
this y 180 minus 60 plus 30.
60 plus 30 is equal to 190.
90. So y is equal to 90 degree.
90 degree.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, Sharanya, did you understand? Sharanya, hello? Hello? Unmute and tell me the answer whether you understood or not. Okay, next one. Amrita Biju, can you speak out? Hello? Hello? I think only Manish and
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Manish and Shane John is speaking to me. Others are all kept quiet. I don't know why. Priyanna. Priyanna. All the speakers are switched off forever. You can unmute and say the answer. Did you understand? Did you understand? Next person.
Yes,
Naveen,
ma'am.
Neha Mary. Hello. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the problems which I am doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you didn't understand, if you want me to explain once more, you have to tell me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is this? Annette? Annette Rose, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give you another problem. Another one. (90°). Here it is given y. This is x and this is x. Check. What is the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, y is equal to 90. Y is equal to 90.
What is the reason?
Y is equal
to 90.
What is the reason?
Ma'am, because vertically opposite.
Very good. Vertically opposite. Okay. Then what about x and x? Both are equal. That is the meaning. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are x means both are equal. So what
Ma'am?
is?
Ma'am, they'll get 35 and 35.
Is it 35? Check once more.
Ma'am, 45.
45. Both will be 45. How? Because
45.
you know
Ma'am, because we'll get
all the three angles when added, we should get 180. Angle sum
at
property.
180.
X plus y is equal to 180. Angle sum property. You have to write the reason. Write down this question's answers, okay? You have to write all these questions in the note. Children, all these questions you have to write in the note. So take down in your rough book. Later, you can copy it in your notebook. So x plus y is equal to 180, angle sum property. You have to listen to me. After that, you have to write. Property, you have to complete it. X plus y, 180 degree. So we know what is, so x plus x, 2 times x, 2x. You know that, no? Last year you have studied algebra. X plus x, 2x plus y is equal to 180. So 2x plus, what is y? Y is, we know it is 90. So y 90 is 180. 2 times x is equal to 180 minus 90. 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 divided by 2, 45 degree. So, and at last you have to write what is x, 45 degree, and what is y, 90 degree. Okay. So, last final answer. Finished, children? Can I give you
Yes, ma'am.
next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next problem. See, you have to complete your notes and show me. I'll give you the date. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give the date. On that date, it should be ready. So you have to write down in the rough book and then you can copy it in the note later. Another problem. So triangle given x, x, x. This angle is given x. This angle is given x. And this angle is also given x. Now this angle is given y. Nothing is given. No angles are given. Can you tell me what is x and y? Hmm?
Ma'am, the three x's are 30.
Is it 30? Check. Think of this one. That is here x and y. They are okay.
Is 120 degree?
Just think about this.
Ma'am, why is 120 degree? Or 180?
No. These are not exterior angles. So can you think of anything else? These see and check this. All the x's are same degree. It is coming.
Ma'am, 60 degree?
Hmm?
Ma'am, 60 degree?
60 degree is correct.
60 degree.
60 degree because you see this. If it is, this is vertically opposite, isn't it? These are vertically opposite angles. So x is equal to y. X is equal to y, no? Because they are vertically
Yes,
opposite
ma'am.
angle, right? So 60 degree is correct answer. I am asking. Okay.
60 degree.
Explain. Can you explain why? Reason?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, the 3 into
3 are vertically opposite, isn't it? So when you take x here is also x, here is also x. So this angle is equal to this angle because they are vertically opposite. So here also this angle will be equal to y. This
Yes.
angle also will be equal to y.
Ma'am, why is 130?
And you know y plus y is equal to 180. That is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now 3y equals 180. So what is y? 180 divided by 3. That is 60 degree.
60 degree.
So you will get x
60
is
degree.
x and y is equal to 60 degree. Answer is 60 degree each. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all about the exterior angle theorem. We finished. Now these are problems about the angle sum property of the triangle. Now one more theorem, 140. So we are going to study about the next theorem, that is, can I rub this? Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Erase.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you finished, no? Okay. Okay, we are going to study about other properties of the triangle, some different types of triangle. You already know. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle.
Triangle.
Hmm.
Scalene isosceles.
No. Only equilateral triangle I'm asking you. What is an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. Can
Ma'am,
anybody?
the sides are equal. All sides, all the three sides are equal.
Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the three sides are equal. Suppose A, B, C, I am writing. One side is AB will be equal to AC as well as BC. All the three sides are equal. Okay, that means if this is 4 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter, this also will be 4 centimeter. That is the meaning of equilateral triangle. Equilateral means, lateral means side, equi means same. So, triangle with equal sides are known as equilateral triangle. Now, you can see that this three angles are also equal. It is equilateral. Triangles are equiangular also. Equiangular also. Okay, that is the property of the equilateral triangle. What is it? Equilateral triangles are equiangular also. All the three angles are also equal in an equilateral triangle. Okay, that is a special type of triangle. All sides have same length. All the so can you tell me if equiangular means all the angles, how much it will come each angle? How much each angle?
6.
Ma'am, 80.
No. Three angles
60?
together,
60,
180. 60. Very good. So each angle will be 60. So two properties you have to write about equilateral triangle. First one, it is all sides have same length. All sides have same length. Write down in your notebook this. Same length. All sides have same length. Then second one, it is each angle has measure 60 degree. Each angle has measure 60 degree. Each angle has measure 60 degree. Write down this, all of you. Equilateral triangle. Finished all of you?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
All others?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, finish.
So now I think 10 more minutes is there, no? Okay, so we'll
Yes, ma'am.
one more topic, that is isosceles triangle.
Triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Two sides are equal.
Very good. Children,
Yes, ma'am.
Sides are equal.
yeah. Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, now next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, can you tell me what is the property?
Ma'am, only two sides are equal and two
Only-
angles are same.
Very good. Only two sides are equal. If
And they
any,
have two angles equal.
yes, if any two sides of a triangle are equal, then we can call that triangle as an isosceles triangle. That means, suppose AB is equal to AC. It is called an isosceles triangle. Sometimes AC will be equal to BC. Then also the triangle is isosceles. This you have studied last year. Any two sides of a triangle are equal, we call them as isosceles triangle. Now we are going to study a property related to this triangle. That is, suppose these two sides are equal. Given AB is equal to AC. Isn't it? Side
Yes,
A
ma'am.
is equal to side AC in this. Now I'll draw with another color. You will understand. See, these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Now, which are the angles opposite to it? The angle opposite to it is this angle C.
BC.
And angle opposite to this side, it is this. So this angle. So thus those two angles, that is these two angles will be equal in measure. These two angles will be equal in measure. That is the rule. What is it? Any two sides are equal means the angles opposite to it will be equal in measure. We call it by the name, we write it as a theorem. Okay, we write it as a theorem. That is angles opposite to or angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Sides are equal. What is it? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Just write it down. After that, I'll explain something more. Okay. Just write down the theorem with this example, with this triangle. Write down fast. In a rough book, you write. You can copy later in the notebook. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Finished? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll draw this one as you can write in the note. Okay. Remaining you need not write in the note because I am drawing for you to understand, make you understand the theorem. This is enough for the note. Now I'll draw another triangle. Look at this triangle. A, B, C, and it is given these two sides are equal. Can you tell me which all angles will be equal? Which all angles will be equal?
Ma'am, AB and BC.
No, that is the sides, isn't it? I am asking you about the angles which are equal.
AC.
So here what is given is AB is equal to side AB is equal to side BC. These two sides are equal. Just draw on it, then you will get. So I am asking you which are the angles equal?
AC.
Angle A and angle C.
Angle A and
Angle
C. Angle C.
C.
angle A and angle C, because just
Angle
take
A
the
and angle
opposite
C.
angle opposite to it is what? It is A.
Angle A and A.
What is the angle opposite to this one? C. So angle
C.
A will be equal to angle C. In this case, I'll draw another triangle. Just see what it is. I'm drawing another one. Okay. Look at this. Here angle, oh, it is not visible. The color, light colors. Yeah. Look at this. Now I am writing angle A, angle B, angle C. Now I am putting it like this. These two sides are equal. So tell me which are the angles equal?
Ma'am, A and B.
A and
A and B.
A and B. A and B are equal. Just take the opposite angle to this. It is A. Opposite angle to this side. It is B.
B.
Opposite angle to that side. AC. AC. Isn't it? So if AC is equal to BC here. BC. AC is equal to BC. So angle A will be equal to angle B. Is it clear, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
So the rule is, what is the rule? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. If the triangle is given, these two sides are equal, then you can see the base angles will be equal. You can call this as base angles. As these two sides are equal, you can take this angles are equal in measure. It will come like this. You can fill it with color. It will be more easy to see. See, these two angles will be equal in measure. Another color I'll use. It is filled fully. That is why. Now look at this. Can you see the board? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think it is clear to you. So this one, see this angle, these two angles will be equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal in measure. Okay. Now, I think it's time. Okay, 39 it is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. One more period is there, no, for you? Children?
Yes, ma'am. 220.
Yes, ma'am.
220, one more period is there, right?
223.
Okay. So that
Yes, ma'am.
during that period we'll meet, we'll learn with some of the properties of the sides of the triangle in the next. So two theorems we studied. What are the, can you repeat the three theorems we studied today? Three theorems we have revised. What is that?
Ma'am, how to find
First one angles and property. What is it?
exterior angles?
1 minute. What is it?
How to the theorem of exterior angles?
Yes, theorem of
How to
exterior
find it?
angles. So what is it? What is the theorem of
Then
exterior
equilateral triangle theorem.
Then
Isosceles triangle theorem.
isosceles triangle theorem. So exterior angle theorem. What is exterior angle theorem? Can Felix, can you answer what is exterior angle theorem? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Exterior angle theorem, can you tell me what is it? Dion, Xavier, can you tell me what is exterior angle theorem?
Exterior angle theorem means outside the triangle.
Exterior angle will be equal to what?
The opposite interior angle.
It's vertically.
That is vertically opposite angles. Now I'm asking you what is exterior angle theorem? What is the exterior angle? How are you finding out the exterior angle? Some relation with interior angles, right? What is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is it?
Exterior angles.
Now all the theorems are confusing. What is
Ma'am.
exterior angle? Mariam, can you answer? Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
What is exterior angle theorem we studied now before?
Ma'am, we will add
Interior angles, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Then we will get
Ma'am,
what?
we have to add this. We have to add the opposite interior angle.
Opposite interior angle. Sum of the opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angle.
Exterior
That is, yeah. Then what did we study about the isosceles triangle?
We studied that the
Opposite sides.
Angle opposite to
sides
equal.
of the
Angles to equal sides are
Equal.
okay. So these are the two theorems which we studied, and something about equilateral triangle also we studied. No, what was it?
All sides of equilateral triangle will be
All sides of
Equal
the
length.
triangle are equal, and also
Each angle has
each
measures
angle has a
60
measure
degree.
60 degree. Okay, children. Very good. Bye. See you in the next
Thank you,
one.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.